Hey guys, we should be heading home and checking up on our animals. Oh, by the way, do you guys want to see the new animal friends we have?
Well, of course, we'd love to. Hey guys, it's Fun Place. Welcome back. Today our friends are showing us some new animals. Do you guys want to join them?
Welcome to Fun Place.
Alright guys, first we need to help Susie find the correct door. She's wearing a green shirt, so I think we have to look for a green door. Right here, I see a blue door. So let's turn it and see where her door is. Oh wait, I see a green number 4 door. I think this one's the one that belongs to Susie. Okay, ring the bell. Whoa, Susie has 2 pets. She has a goose and a cute little bunny. Here's a goose. And a pretty little bunny. You have very cute pets, Susie.
Why, thank you.
Oh, it's Ed's turn. And Ed is wearing a red shirt. It's time to look for a red door. Okay, I see it. Here's a number 2 red door. This is your door, Ed. Ring the doorbell. Wow, Ed has a dog and a cat pet. This is a dog. And this is a black cat. Cool pets, Ed. Hey Patty, it's your turn. Patty has a purple shirt. So now it's time to look for a purple door. Wait, I see Patty's door. Here's the number 3 purple door, Patty. Go on and ring the doorbell, Patty. Oh, nice! I see a rooster and a hen. This is the rooster. This one is a hen. What lovely pets you have, Patty.
Hey, what about me?
Whoa. Hold your horses, Ben. We haven't forgotten about you. Ben has a blue shirt. What color do you guys think that Ben's door will be? If you know the answer, please leave it in the comments. Okay, we're looking for the blue door. I see the blue door. Here's the number 1 blue door, Ben. Ring the doorbell and let's see who answers. Oh my, Ben, you have big pets. You have a cow and a baby horse. Here's a baby cow, also known as a calf. This one is the baby horse, also known as a foal. Whoa, I love your pets, Ben.
Welcome to Fun Place.
Red. Here we have a horse. Let's put him in the red garage. Green. Here's another horse. Let's put him in the green garage. Blue. This horse, we're gonna put him in the blue garage. Yellow. Our last horse, let's put him in the yellow garage. Bye-bye, horsey. Goodbye, horse. See you later, horse. Bye-bye. Now it's time for some magic. Red. Wow, we have red gumballs. This horse is called a Trakehner mare. Cream gumballs. This one is a Trakehner stallion. Blue gumballs. This one is an Ardini stallion. Yellow gumballs. Our last horse is a Hanoverian gelding. They are so beautiful. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 horses. Alright guys, I had so much fun today learning new horses' names. If you like our video, please give us a big thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.